Howdy, y'all. This is Stone Hook in Orange, Texas. I figured I'd get on here and repair this Dalton and announce the winner. The contest was to guess what kind of a hinge remover I put on this thing, which you can see now my hinge remover done evaporated today. But I used Vaseline. I got some over there I use for a mold release when I was casting things and stuff, and smeared it on and actually wipe it off with the back side of my leather hand pad. It just kind of, it takes all the shine off. Otherwise it'd be so shiny like a city, but it hides all the little hinges. But the born on Unity Farm, Delta ATK 4598 actually guessed that it was Vaseline. So that saves having a drawing, I guess. Won't be a drawing for it, because if nobody guessed it, I was going to draw a name out of guesses. But he had it. And then it reminds me on his paper, see Roger Dale MC? You won the wind dust point on the last giveaway, and I've never gotten an email or anything from you. Y'all could email me at stonehook5505@aol.com. But I'm gonna fix this thing. It knocked just a chip off of one barb, and then it bounced and knocked the tip off this thing. So I'm gonna fix that. That tip, it kind of got a little bulbous look to it anyways. I'll take that out of there. Hopefully. I'm gonna catch this platform right back behind that tip, try to push the plate across there and get it thin. Oop. Oop. That was kind of a little bigger flake than I was wanting. Darn it. Trying to go too far back. I didn't grind that far back because I wasn't planning on going that far back. But the flaking actually, but with that deep flake, I'm gonna have to blend it in. But it's looking good. It's just got one more little high spot, right? Well, it looks different in the camera. There's a little high spot right there, but that's all a little high CO2. Well, I just ain't doing no good tonight. That's just slipping every time. I guess because I'm trying to flake on the wrong darn side. No wonder it looks different in the camera. I was looking at the wrong side. Hey. That looks like an overshot, maybe. I guess it ain't, but something. I think it was an overshot on this side where I wasn't even supposed to be flaking yet. I got that side kind of profiled. Just need to do this other side now. I kind of messed up there a lot. Trying to flake on the wrong side and stuff. Holy. I got a good side profile going, but man, I goofed up the. Really gonna take some shoulder off right there. That's the problem now. What do you want, home skillet? I'm gonna sit here and get so picky with this thing, I'm gonna goof it up. Got just one little bit right there. That just got to be it. That's, I'm gonna quit messing with it. I got a little thick spot right there though, it's bugging me pretty bad. That to be it. Man, that took forever. Now to the base, let's see, this side broke right there. hard to see. Let's see. That's got to be it. That's it. We'll just go ahead and set it right there on the hook. He's got my name scribed on his other side somewhere. Can't see it. I might get my magnifier, make sure I did scribe it on. Oh yeah, there it is, on the same side, right there. Well, there it is. The bone of unity. I could probably put text in a video to be more plain than this, because that might not be real easy to read. But I'll be back.